Time now for the second semi-final, the men's 200 metres T11. We're still waiting for confirmation of the opening result with a couple of yellow flags, so we'll bring that as soon as we can. David Brown went across the line in first place in that, but an unofficial time of 22.86 so far. But on the second of the semi-finals, we've got the man who won gold in London 2012 in lane 3, Felipe GOMES. Mehmet TUNC, who goes inside him from Turkey in lane 1. SHIKONGO of Namibia in lane 5, a silver medalist 2 years ago in Lyon. And Timothee ADOLPHE, the European champion and bronze medalist already at these championships over 400 metres, will go from lane 7.
Expect the speed in this race to come from the centre 2 lanes, with those boys both running quite good PBs compared to the inside and outside lanes.
So TUNC of Turkey goes in 1, GOMES of Brazil in 3, SHIKONGO of Namibia in 5, and Timothee ADOLPHE of France in 7. And the way they get at the first time, and it is ADOLPHE who gets out quickly on the outside, but SHIKONGO, who's working his way up ever so quickly, who goes around into the lead. But on the inside of him, it is Felipe GOMES. It is a 3-horse race at the moment. It is GOMES who leads from SHIKONGO, who's in second, and ADOLPHE on the outside will take third. That is the order they finish in. Brazil in 1, Namibia in 2, and France in third place. An unofficial time of 23:07. It's now being confirmed as 23:07 for GOMES of Brazil. So he qualifies automatically. SHIKONGO in 23.24. At this stage will go through as a qualifier, and ADOLPHE goes across in third place in a time of 23.78 seconds.
So 2 boys there in that heat with similar PBs, personal bests, and GOMES and SHIKONGO of the middle 2 lanes really pushing the speed, but GOMES coming into the home straight in the front, and SHIKONGO just couldn't catch him, and that means GOMES will take that 1 automatic qualification through to the final, and SHIKONGO, although coming second in the race and pushing hard, is now going to have to wait with crossed fingers to see if he can make the final.
Well, he's a silver medalist from 2 years ago, is SHIKONGO of Namibia. GOMES has already won silver over 100 metres at these championships. He's the Paralympic champion as well over 200 metres. And there is confirmation. GOMES goes through in first place in 23:07. SHIKONGO 23.24. ADOLPHE in third, and TUNC is out of it, down in 4th position.